Yes friends, Professor Kumar and you are at Galaxy Tutorials. Remember, we are in chapter Trigonometry of 10th Standard Maharashtra State Board Mathematics. And in our last lecture, we had done 3 sums from the first exercise. And we will today 3 sums of sum number 6. So we have done sum number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sum first, second and third sums we have done. Now I am doing 6th sum, 4th part. Okay, of that exercise of your textbook, page number 132 of your Maharashtra State Mathematics textbook. Let's go further. What does the sum say? Sum number 4 says sec theta minus cos theta times cot theta plus tan theta is equal to tan theta multiplied by sec theta. We have to prove that. Remember, these are proofs. So I have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. How do we go about the sum? We will start substituting the basic ratios. Sec is 1 upon cos theta and I have cos theta. I have cot theta. Cot is inverse of tan. So I will have cos theta divided by sin theta, and tan you know is sin theta divided by cos theta. This is my left hand side. We will take one side, we will solve it and we will come to the value of the right hand side or the other side. Okay, so we have to start with one side. Now, how to start this? Okay, now take LCM, solve it. We will have, in this case, 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta. 1 into 1, cos theta into 1. Here I will have cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. This multiplies here, and you multiply both in the denominator. Okay, 8 standard fractions. Then I will see that 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Okay, how? Remember identity number 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Therefore, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. I take it on the other side. Here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. And I have sin theta and cos theta. Okay, now I have sin theta, which is sin theta multiplied by sin theta and multiplied by 1. And I have cos theta multiplied by sin theta multiplied by cos theta. Okay, you can see here whichever one will cancel and will remain. And you have a look there. Sin upon cos is tan theta. Okay, and 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. This is right hand side, hence proved. You see once again, we are given left hand side, we will substitute basic values. There is no right angle triangle, opposite, adjacent. This is on basic ratios. Okay, and we will do LCM, we will get LCM terms, we will use an identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, we will get this. We will bring all our multiplication, we will bring them together. Sin theta cancels each other, numerator and denominator. What remains is what is asked to prove. So in simple steps, you can prove what is asked. Practice it 2-3 times. Learn the 6 basic ratios. and if you watch it 2-3 times, it's okay, fixed in your brain, very nice. Otherwise, please contact us with your difficulty. We will go through individually with you to solve your difficulty. We go to the next sum. In the textbook, 6th main sum and 5th sub-sum, the book says cot theta. We have to prove that. To prove that cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. They have asked to prove that. They have not asked you whether it is equal or not equal. You have to get the answer that it is equal. You have to get right hand side from left hand side or left hand side from right hand side. You cannot get two different answers. Okay, so this is not, is it? They have told you it is equal. Please show that it is equal. So we are having some like this. We will go for basic formula. Cot is cos upon sine. Tan is sine upon cos. And we will put left hand side is equal to. Don't use both the sides. Take LCM. Cos square theta plus sine square theta upon sine theta multiplied by cos theta. Now because plus, we put a dot for that reason. So that you are not confused whether the multiplication or a plus. Because in a hurry, plus may look like multiply, multiply may look like a plus. Be careful. Be very careful. Okay. Now we are having here cos square theta plus sine. It should strike in my mind. It should flash. Array, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 upon sine theta into cos theta. Because sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Identity number 1. Separate this. 1 upon sine theta multiplied by 1 upon cos theta. This is multiplication. You can separate. 1 upon sine is cosec. 1 upon cos is sec. Have a look. This is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. As simple. You see again. Take the left hand side. Break it into basic proportion. LCM. Use first identity. Separate the denominators. And again basic ratio. Find out. That is what is required. Nothing great. No hard steps. Not too many steps. No difficulty. Okay. So we will go to the 6th sum. Sum number 6 on page number 132. What does the sum say? The 6th sum says to prove that 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta, this all is 1 upon, is proved to, we have to show, equal to sec theta plus tan theta. This is what we have to show. First, left hand side is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. First, we will write the left hand side. Okay, what do we do next? Now, if you start, there are two. If you are confused, you start 1 upon cos theta minus 1 sin theta upon cos theta. If you go by this route, you will take 21 days to reach here. Okay, so we do not expect you to have 20 steps. These are sums for 2 marks. For 2 marks, I should not have more than 5 to 6 steps. No, nothing is wrong. You are free to do 20 steps, 21 steps. Do not do. We do not suggest like this. We will rationalize. So I will get direct answer because we know that rationalizing solves the denominator problems. I have like this. I will multiply it by sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta plus tan theta. Rationalizing, we don't write. Rationalizing the denominator. Same method. Now you see, this is same. This is 1. Why did I do this? Because I want it at the top. This is at the bottom. So my first step only brings it in the numerator. Not wrong. Go 21 steps if you are not satisfied. This is one step you reached that your numerator is already come. Okay? So when you multiply, you will have sec theta plus tan theta, and here a plus b, a minus b will give you sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, a plus b. Otherwise, open up, expand. If you want to waste your time, a plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square. That is why formulas were taught to you. So it makes our life very, very simple. So it comes to this level. Okay. So now we had an identity. I hope you have not forgotten. We had an identity number 2. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Identity number 2 I taught you. So look here. Sec theta plus tan theta divided by sec square theta is, I will substitute 1 plus tan square theta and minus tan square theta. See? For sec square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. Identity number 2. Now this plus and minus goes. So this is sec theta plus tan theta. Hence proved. This is right hand side. Hence proved. 2 steps. So simple. So do not break it further because number of steps will increase. Second, I need it on top, number the same, I need a change in sign. Any time change of sign is there, we rationalize. Only rationalization can give me same terms with plus sign. So as a result, I get it so soon. Students, I remind you, please register yourself fast. Collect your assignment book. You will have an assignment book. Okay? And in this, you will have theory. You will have formulas. Okay? You will have theory. Okay? You will have practice exercise. You will have assignment. You will have past paper question. We expect you now. Also. And all textbook problems, all the stuff which I am writing on the board are given there, typed. So it can help you for your school work. It can help you to learn slowly, it can help you to practice, it can help you to check where you are going wrong. Plus, sums come from the board exam repeat. So we have got those solved. Sums come from extra, now they copy from CBSE because your book is now becoming like CBSE pattern. So we have put all that there. Be sure, we are highly sure that you can score 100% using our book. We are not boasting. Top rankers come from Galaxy Tutorials. You can ask all your senior friends and they will tell you this. Their exams have just been over. Please check whether our teaching is of some use or not. Okay? So we are not giving empty boast. Secondly, when you are looking at lectures from the school, you must see that my teacher has used this method. You are not in the 5th standard, 8th standard. You are giving a board exam. Board is same for entire Maharashtra. So they are not going to check paper from this school in Mumbai. Okay, your paper will have a black sticker on top. It will not tell the teacher correcting that whose paper, which area. So, methods I am showing you on the board are correct. I guarantee you that. Do not fight with the teacher. The teacher cuts 1 or 2 marks or says to you, no, please listen to the teacher. Why? We don't have to fight with her. We need internal marks. There are practicals, which I cannot come there and write your marks. Please listen to the school teacher. For the time being, in the written exam, we will win. We do not need anything from the school teacher. Whether the method is same, steps are less, more, method, we don't require. These are not methods made by me. These are from the marking scheme given by the board to us to correct the paper. And as you know, I've been teaching for the last 40 years. Okay, so all these methods I have not made. I have collected all the sums which I have corrected till today and pasted them and kept my book ready. As a result, my book now has 9,000 sums solved by the Maharashtra board, not by me. Okay, so please go through this. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel because I'm putting all the lectures there. Downloading 2 GB, 4 GB is difficult for you. too many lectures, but they are at one place. Okay, Kumar Sir-Galaxy Tutorial channel on YouTube. Please subscribe to that channel, or that bell symbol is there. Not for my advertisement. I do not need your advertisement. It is so that whenever I put up a video, within a second you are notified that I put up my next lecture. And believe me, I am not going to sing song or act. I am only putting lectures there. So this is for your benefit, so that you do not know when I paste it. Someday I post one video, someday two, depends on the time, facility, everything available. So please get notified soon, so that you save time, you practice. And if you have difficulties, please contact us. You have looked at the video 2-3 times, you tried practicing, still can't understand, pick up the phone, okay, and get to us. We will solve the problem. Okay, so this is our special announcement for you. So register fast. 3 study packs are ready. Each school is doing different chapters. If you think the study pack I give you does not have a chapter, let me know. The 4th study pack will be prepared and give it to you. Okay? Why are we making study packs? So that you can study all subjects little at every time. Interest is there, your capabilities are there, and this is a 10 standard exam. You have to remember the whole book for the exam. That is why we are breaking it up into units. Okay? For you, and you don't have to carry a 600-page notes everywhere. If I give you booklets, they will become too many. Okay? So that is why we are spiral bounding it. You can turn and read nicely, keep it on the desk, walk, travel, study. Please pass the links of the video to your friends, so that we can come. Remember, this year we can't have 25 people sitting in the classroom due to COVID. We will have 5 or 7 people max. So sooner they join, better for you. More of your friends, better for you. Same chapters can be covered first. Okay, so these are my advice or information for you. Okay, going back, let's go back to sub-unit sum 7. Sum number 7. Okay, the study pack contains English, Hindi, okay, geography, history, political science, economics, maths, and science. Okay, one or two chapters of each. In English, all question answers, summary, everything is given. Okay, Hindi, question answers given. All what has come in the board exam, what will come, you do not have to worry. And we are not giving some 2000 pages to you. We have made minimal material because we are very sure what will come in the board. I have personally set paper more than 7 times, so do not lie. Okay, so let's go forwards. So subunit number 7. The book says, prove that. To prove that sine 4 theta minus cos 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Okay, this is what has been given in the book. So the book says in sum number 7, okay, now when you open your book, okay, you will find it says sec 4 theta 1. There is a mistake in your textbook. I have corrected the textbook. This is given as sec in your book. You will never get an answer. Challenge your school teacher to show you the answer. Okay? But don't get into problems. There is a mistake in printing. This is the corrected sum. Please note. So don't tell me this is not in the textbook. You try and solve the textbook and show me I am wrong. Okay? And I will say sorry to you. So don't worry. This is the corrected sum which you should solve. Okay? So this is the sum. Going forward. Now, how to solve? Now 4s I cannot handle, but 2s I can handle. So I have sine square theta, the whole square. That is how we write 4. Okay? And minus cos square theta, the whole square, is my left hand side. Okay? See how I modified. Because our identities don't have 4. They are only up to square. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay? So step number 1. Step number 2. We have a square minus b square is equal to a minus B into A plus B. Right here for your remembrance, A square minus B square is A minus B, A plus B. Please learn the formulas. Okay? So this is simplified that way. And this you can see with blind eyes. By now you must have practiced. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is one identity number 1. So this is equal to sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now because this is 1. Why it is 1? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, is an identity, because have you reached here? You can see how easily this is getting simplified. Now using same, we need cos, we don't need sine. How will I get cos if I take sine on the other side? Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, and I have cos square theta. 1 has no meaning and 1 has no meaning. Now I have 1 minus 2 cos square theta. This is what I require. This is right hand side, hence proved. That is how you will do the sum. So first, correct the sum in your textbook. Sum has got a mistake. Number 2, solve it using identity number 1. So simple, in just 2 steps. Okay? And you should be confident. Practice. We will see sum number 8. Okay? Please practice 2-3 times. Don't get overconfident. Be confident. It is not good to be overconfident. Okay? If you are confident, go to the next sum. If anybody asks you for difficulty, show them. It will give you additional practice when you have the time. Do not waste your study time and keep showing other people. I do not suggest that. But you should show others whenever you have the time. Instead of chatting, WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, don't waste time. More you do maths, more practice, more fluent you will become. Okay? Then. Sum number 8. So 6th, we are on sum number 8. The book has asked to prove that sec theta plus tan theta is equal to cos theta 1 minus sin theta. Okay, the book has asked me to prove this. Sec theta plus tan theta is cos theta 1 divided by 1 minus sin theta. First, now this is one term, this is two terms. There is no denominator. I find this easy looking than this. Earlier this was at the denominator, so I could rationalize. Now I can't rationalize and get sec theta minus tan theta or anything. So I will start. Of course you are free to do any side. Only steps will be more. Right hand side is equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. I will start from right hand side and prove left hand side. Why? Because I can rationalize and it makes my life very easy. So step number 1, we will rationalize. This is equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta multiplied by 1 plus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. You do not have to write rationalizing the denominator. This is cancelling, this is 1, we have not changed the value. Now this is equal to cos theta into 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, now have a look. Cos theta 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Why? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Therefore, 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Identity number 1. Take it on the other side. Okay, as you can see, I can cancel, my square will go. So I will get 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. I will separate the terms. 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. separating the terms. Now 1 upon cos, you know very well, is sec theta. And sin theta upon cos theta, you very well know by now, is tan theta. Oh, I've come here, very nice. Don't write it right hand side again, it is left hand side. And simple method. Rationalizing denominator, same method as last time, no new trick to learn. Okay, perfect. Absolutely clear. Kindly practice. We will look at the next one. Subsum number 9 in the book. The book says if, prove that, if tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2, then show that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is also equal to 2. Now, I have got one term, tan theta. I have also power 1 upon tan theta. I have power 2, I have power 2. Now I have to square it. Of course, you can see with my blind eye. Unless I square it, I cannot get that term. There is no other cot or other ratio, tan and tan. So no need to solve it by substituting any other value. So first, tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is 2. This is given. I have not done anything. Now squaring tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta, the whole square is 2 ka square. Squaring both sides. Okay, by now you have learned your factorization and expansion formulas. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, I will write here again for you because all of my students are brilliant. They do not practice 9 properly. Because a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this and this cancel. So I have tan square theta plus 2 plus 1 by tan square theta is 4. Taking 2 on the other side, tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is 4 minus 2, that is 2. That is what I have to prove. Hence proved. So simple. Do not substitute. Sine upon cos plus 1 upon sine upon cos, don't make your life difficult. First see the objective. Objective is, he has made terms in square, but the terms are same functions. So do not play with the function. Simpler. So trigonometry is not difficult. Every time we are not supposed to find new methods. These are not new methods. This is algebra. This is not trigonometry. Okay? A plus b square is not trigonometry. So this is what I have been teaching you. You have to use judicious your sense of analysis. Not blind rules, etc. Life is